And welcome. It's the 26th, Tuesday, the 26th of September, and it's just after 9 o'clock. And we'll start as ever, or not as ever, with the AUD US dollar. We've moved nicely this morning below the 50 on the RSI, and a little bit of strength in the dollar, and we've come down again. So this is actually making a fairly nice move down, if not very slowly. But I'm expecting this to break short. We've got a lot of heavy resistance above it, so it is a very good risk reward trade, and we'll be following that down. The pound US dollar hasn't really done a lot today. We're on some sort of support at the moment, but if it breaks a bit higher, I'm going to short it back through again. We have actually moved short on the RSI. We're below the 69.1, so we have broken down nicely. But we are, as I said, on this support. It does seem to be flagging. I'm expecting this to break. We'll see how it goes on today. USD Canadian dollar. What happened yesterday? The oil went up, and it went up quite a lump. So I'm expecting to see a little bit of strength in the Canadian dollar. Now, that might actually give us a red candle, a little bit of a step back for a while. We are just breaking over the 50, but with the strength in the pound, maybe we might just see a little bit of sideways movement as we come onto this resistance here. So a little bit in two minds over that one, but it's still going to, long term, it's still going to be good trade. Euro dollar. This has come down nicely the last 2 days, basically strengthening the dollar. I've got quite a lot of trades in now at the top, and I've got a stop behind all of them. We've moved below the 50, nicely below the 50. We're down on the outer Bollinger Band at the moment, so we'll see how that goes. So there we go with that. USD Japanese yen. As I said before, I can't think of any reason for trading this at the moment. We've got strength coming up on the dollar, and we might have strength on the Japanese yen. So it can be sort of a little bit up and down. There isn't a clear picture. So I'm leaving that one. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. We've seen weakness again on this pair this morning. Nice candle down. I've done very nicely on the crosses with this. We're below the 50 on the RSI, and I'm expecting that to short back down. Silver. We had a little bit of a rise in the price of silver yesterday. It started coming back down again today, but I think a bit of the trouble is this support that we've got across here. So we'll see how it continues. We're below the 50 on the RSI, and we are actually just pointing down. So we are expecting at the very worst sideways movement. But to be quite honest, I mean, for the last 10 days, we've been coming down with this. So I am expecting it to continue to the downside. Quite unexpected yesterday, the oil candle. We had a very nice rise in the price of oil. And I did say it looked like it was flagging and expected it to go up, and it has. We're up at 52.1, which is a lot farther than I expected it to go, to be quite honest. And we've broken through the 69.1 and a little bit flat this morning, but it does look like it's got potential for more upside. So we'll leave it a couple of days, see how it goes. I could, in fact, just put a trend line up here. There we go. Wait for it to break the trend line. There we go. So that'll give it 2 or 3 days before it comes back down. We'll see what happens, but that will be very nice trade. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching. And part 2, the crosses, is in the members centre. Okay, thank you.